when everybody thinks about the holiday season, the big thing that everyone thinks is everyone sat around the table eating way too much food. And when they said that this was going to culminate in everyone sitting around the table eating way too much food, I was like, yes, I'm absolutely getting involved with this.
Food is, I think, one way where everyone can connect. You don't need any language. And so as long as your stomach's happy, you're happy.
I love it. I love it. Having dinners like this, we are bringing it more to the feeling of the family and friends getting together.
It was just nice to have everybody from all different cultures, from all different parts of the world, sharing dinner. And you don't have to speak the same language because food just brings people together, and that's what I love about it.